Hi, in front of me I have Realme 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. First, let's open the settings. To do it, swipe left on the screen and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's select home screen and wallpaper. Here scroll down and tap on set wallpaper. Now we can select between static wallpapers or live wallpapers. Let's tap on static ones first. And here we have a list of wallpapers. Let's tap on one to select it, for example this one. You can also adjust the position of the wallpaper. Then tap on set as. And now you can select set as lock screen wallpaper, set as home screen wallpaper, or set as both. We're gonna select set as home screen. Go back to home screen. As you can see, the wallpaper changed. We can also press and hold on the free space on home screen. Like this. This menu will appear and here we have wallpapers option. Let's tap on it. Now let's select, for example, live wallpapers, but you can also swipe left and right to scroll through the list of wallpapers. But let's select live and this will open the folder. Find one wallpaper you like, for example this one, and then tap on set as and select home screen, for example. As you can see, the wallpaper changed. And that's how you change the wallpaper on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.